How to download YouTube videos. There are different methods to download YouTube videos from premium and regular accounts. In this video, we will show you both methods. Method 1. Using YouTube Premium. Step 1. Launch the YouTube app or open YouTube in a web browser and sign into your account. Make sure that you are subscribed to YouTube Premium. Step 2. Locate the video you want to download and click the three-dot menu beneath it. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Method 2. Using VLC Player. Step 1. Copy the URL of the YouTube video you want to download from your web browser's address bar. Step 2. Open the VLC app on your computer. Step 3. If you're using a PC, click on Media in the menu bar and select Open Network Stream. On a Mac, click on File, then choose Open Network. Step 4. In the new window that appears, click on the Network tab and paste the YouTube video's URL in the text box at the top. Then, click on the Play or Open button at the bottom and wait for the video to start playing. Step 5. If you're using a PC, click on Tools in the menu bar and select Media Information. If you're on a Mac, click on a window in the menu, then choose Media Information. Step 6. In the current Media Information window, find the location field at the bottom. Select the URL in this text box and copy it. Step 7. Go back to your web browser and paste the link you just copied into the address bar at the top of the screen. Press Enter to load the video. Step 8. Once the video starts playing, click on the three dots menu at the bottom right of the screen and select Download. Step 9. The video will be saved to your computer as an MP4 file. You can rename it and move it to a different folder if you wish. Bug fix. If the video doesn't start playing after Step 4 due to a bug that is yet to be fixed, you can follow these steps to fix your issue. Step 1. Go to this link and select this blue highlighted message. Step 2. A file will download. Don't worry, this is a bug fix for the VLC media player. Copy the downloaded file. Step 3. Now go to the C folder on your PC. Program Files, VideoLAN, VLC, LUA, Playlist. Step 4. Now place the file in this folder and relaunch your VLC media player. And now you can continue with the original procedure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.